Good morning, students. We have already done present tense, past tense. Today, we are going to do future tense and its types. Types means simple future tense, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Let us begin from the very beginning, that is simple future. See the formula: subject plus will or shall plus verb first form plus object. Students, we always use verb first form in simple future tense. Unlike in past tense, simple past tense, you were using verb second form. Here we will always use verb first form. Now you should remember that subject I and we take shall. For example, I shall go to school. And subjects like he, she, it, any name take will. For example, he will go to school or Ram will go to school. So it's too simple. You are to use will or shall as an helping verb. Now, let us talk about interrogative sentence of simple future. As I have already told you, when you change a simple sentence into an interrogative one, you only exchange the positions of helping verb and subject. So, formula will be will oblique shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object. For example, will he go to school? See what we have done. We have taken will in the beginning and he at the second place. So it has become interrogative, future interrogative sentence. Will he go to school? Shall I go to school? Since I told you earlier that I and we take shall, and whatever is left in the name of subject, they all will take will. Now let us do future continuous tense. Subject plus will shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing. Students, it's too easy. I have told you in present continuous also, it also take verb first form plus ing, and past continuous also verb first form plus ing. And now you come to future continuous. See the example, he will be going to school. We shall be going to school. Students, here you have used be. It is extra. Why? Because will and shall, after will and shall, we cannot use verb ing form. So it's compulsory to put BEB in between. So he will be going to school. You cannot say. If you remove be, then sentence will be he will going to school. This will be totally wrong. So in order to put ing form after will or shall, we need to insert be. We shall be going to school. Now let us talk about future continuous interrogative tense. Again you will do the same thing. Will and shall will come in the beginning plus subject plus verb first plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. Now will he be going to school? Shall I be going to school? Now let us do future perfect. Students, as I have already told you, perfect means work is done. So here also you will use verb third form in all the perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. One thing is common, that is verb third form. Subject plus will shall plus have plus verb third form plus object. For example, he will have gone to school. Will shall, about interrogative sentence, will or shall plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object. Example, will he have gone to school? Shall I have gone to school? Now let us do future perfect continuous, that is the last one. See the formula: subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus verb first form ing plus object. Students, I have already told you that perfect continuous tense is the mixture of perfect and continuous, and in extra it has taken been. Verb ing form it has taken from continuous tense, and have it has taken from perfect tense. It has used an extra been with it. See the example: he will have been going to school. I or we shall have been going to school. Change it into interrogative: will oblique shall plus subject plus have been plus verb first form ing plus object. Again, you have interchanged the positions of subject and helping verb. Example, will he have been going to school? Students, always remember that in future perfect continuous, we use have. With he too, with he also, there is no concept of has. While in present perfect tense, we read that we use has with singular subject and have with plural subject. But here in future perfect continuous, we only use have. Will he have gone to school? Shall I have gone to school? Now let us do perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. For example, he will have been going to school. I or we shall have been going to school. Now we are to change it into interrogative. Again we will change the positions of helping verb and subject. Will or shall plus subject plus have been plus verb first form plus object. Will he have been going to school? Shall we have been going to school? Now, in case of since and for, how we will make the sentence? He will have been going to school since April. Or you can say he will have been going to school for 1 month.